Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Global English Talk. I'm Emily. It feels so good to have you here with us again.
And I'm Daniel. Thank you for joining us today. Wherever you are in the world, we're so glad you're spending this time with us.
It's always such a good feeling to be here together, talking slowly, sharing moments in English.
That's true, Emily. And today, we're talking about something that connects everyone, no matter where you're from. Feelings and emotions.
Ah, yes. Feelings. They're so simple, and yet sometimes hard to describe, especially in another language.
Exactly. Even people who speak English well often say, I don't know how to explain what I feel. So today, we'll help you find words for your heart.
That's beautiful, Daniel, because learning English isn't just about words. It's also about learning how to express yourself honestly.
Yes, and that's the magic of language. It connects hearts, not just minds.
Exactly.
So, let's begin.
Daniel, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling calm and thankful. It's been a busy week, but right now, I just feel peaceful sitting here, talking with you.
That's lovely. I feel grateful too. And maybe a little happy, excited. I love talking about emotions because it reminds us that it's okay to feel everything.
Yes, every feeling teaches us something. Even sadness or frustration can help us grow.
So true. You know, sometimes we run away from bad feelings, but they're part of life too. We just need to learn how to talk about them.
Exactly. And that's why today, we'll explore some of the most common emotions and how to express them in English naturally.
Perfect. Let's start with happiness. Everyone loves talking about being happy.
Of course, we can say, I feel happy, but also, I'm excited, or I'm in a good mood, or even, that made my day.
Yes, that's a lovely one. That made my day. It's such a natural way to show joy.
Exactly. And happiness doesn't always have to be big. Sometimes it's just small things. A message from a friend, a good meal, or a nice walk.
Yes, happiness lives in small moments.
Now, let's talk about sadness, because sometimes life just feels heavy.
That's true. We can say, I feel sad, but also, I'm a bit down, or I'm not feeling great today. Those phrases sound natural and soft.
Yes. And when someone shares their sadness, the best thing we can say is, I'm here for you. Or, do you want to talk about it?
Exactly. That's how we show kindness, with simple words.
Right. Now, what about anger?
Everyone feels it sometimes, even though we don't like to admit it.
Oh, yes. We can say, I'm angry, but that sounds strong. So we can use softer phrases like, I'm upset, or I'm frustrated.
Yes, that sounds more natural in conversation. And in English, tone is everything.
Exactly. Sometimes it's not what you say, it's how you say it.
So true. Now, another big one. Fear. So many English learners feel nervous when they speak.
Yes. And that's completely normal. You can say, I feel nervous, or I'm a little anxious, or even, I'm not very confident yet.
Exactly. And when you say it out loud, it actually helps you feel calmer. Naming your feeling gives you power.
Yes. And that's one of my favorite things about emotions. Once you name them, they lose control over you.
Beautifully said. Now, let's end with one of my favorite feelings. Calmness.
Of course it is. You're the calm one, Daniel.
Thank you. For me, calmness means being at peace with the moment. Not too high, not too low, just steady.
That's lovely. You can say, I feel calm, or I'm at peace, or I'm taking things slow today. Those sentences feel peaceful, even when you say them slowly.
Yes. And I think that's what we want this podcast to feel like too. Calm, kind, real.
Exactly. English should never feel stressful. It should feel like a friend.
Yes. And friends, you can practice these emotions every day. Just say what you feel in English. Repeat after us. I feel happy. I feel tired. I'm grateful for today. I'm a bit stressed, but I'll be okay. I feel calm now.
Beautiful. Simple words, but full of meaning.
Exactly. And remember, your emotions aren't wrong. They're real.
You don't have to hide them. Just express them with kindness.
Yes, because when you speak with feeling, your English sounds alive.
Exactly. It's not about being perfect. It's about being honest.
That's right. Before we finish, let's each share one emotion we want more of this week.
Okay, for me, it's peace. I want to stay peaceful, even when life gets busy.
And for me, it's joy.
I want to notice small things and smile more often. Peace and joy. What a perfect mix.
Exactly. And friends, whatever you're feeling right now, it's okay.
Take a deep breath and remember, every emotion is a part of your story.
Yes. And if you can express it in English, even in simple words, that's a beautiful step forward. Thank you for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this calm time with us today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
See you next time for another friendly, relaxing, heartfelt English conversation.